Understanding superheat and subcooling is key if you want your air conditioning or refrigeration system running smooth and avoid costly repairs. So, first up, superheat is all about how much the refrigerant vapor heats up after it's fully evaporated in the coil, while subcooling is about how much the liquid refrigerant cools down below its condensing temperature. To check superheat, you start by measuring the suction line temperature and pressure near the evaporator outlet, then convert that pressure to the saturation temperature and subtract it from the actual temperature. For subcooling, you do the same but on the liquid line near the condenser outlet. Measure its temperature and pressure, find the saturation temp from pressure, and subtract the actual liquid temp. Keep an eye on these numbers because they tell you if your system has the right refrigerant charge and if it's working efficiently. Airflow is also a big deal here. If it's weak, it messes with superheat readings, making it look like you have a charge problem when you might not. Using these methods regularly helps catch issues early before they turn into big headaches or expensive fixes. One of the biggest mistakes people make with superheat and subcooling is ignoring high superheat readings without checking airflow first. High superheat often means low refrigerant charge, but it could just be clogged filters or blocked vents cutting airflow. Clean those before adding refrigerant. Another mistake is not knowing how to read pressure temperature charts correctly, leading to wrong conclusions about system health. Lastly, techs sometimes overlook stuck or malfunctioning thermal expansion valves, which can cause superheat spikes. If your TXV isn't opening right, it might need replacement or repair. Fixing these issues usually means better performance and longer equipment life. BigHomeProjects.com is a great spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff with HVAC and other home projects. Contractors also get a steady flow of work there, helping them grow their business without all the hassle of marketing on their own.